Hi, this is Andre, and welcome to the Travel Channel. You're watching the Travel Channel. Do 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 do. I'm currently in front of this nice fancy house. Do you think this nice fancy house has lockers? Okay, so right now I'm still exploring more of Lugang, and then I'm gonna make my way over to the train station somehow, and then after that I'm gonna go down to Yunlin. But I'm gonna take my time here in Lugang because I don't really know what there is to do in Yunlin. But I'm very tempted to just hurry up because I'm tired of carrying all this stuff. My back is definitely gonna hurt though. Oh, not from these bags, from carrying the weight of being the hottest English teacher in Taiwan. Anyone? That was a funny joke, right? No? Okay. This is really good. I can see why it's highly recommended. I guess the president of Taiwan, Tsai Ing-wen, has been there. When she made like a Facebook post about it. I agree. 我同意.很好吃. That concludes my time in Lugang. And honestly, 10 out of 10 recommend. I definitely think Lugang is worth a visit. I don't know why people say like there's nothing to do in Changhua. I guess, well, like, Lugang is just, like, one part of Changhua, but, like, Lugang is so nice. I'm a little pooped, so we're gonna go to the train station, I'm gonna find a locker, and I'm gonna explore, like, I don't know, whatever they have over there, too. And then Yunlin. Ah, such a long day. Okay, I just put my things down in a locker, because I was not about to continue carrying that shit. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, and then we're gonna walk, and walk, and walk, and just see what happens when we keep walking. Whenever I travel, I always forget to eat. It's because, you know, when I travel, my primary concern isn't my stomach. It's how many things can I do and see within the short amount of time that I have. I honestly have not eaten so much this whole trip. What I have eaten so far has been pretty good. Yeah. I love visiting like temples and stuff. It's like the same thing as if like you were to go to Europe, visit like old cathedrals. Yeah, that's the same feeling I get. It's so pretty, it's so nice, and the architecture, woo! I think so far my spontaneous trip to Changhua has been fantastic. I'm a little tired though, TBH. I don't know, I'm getting old. I'm gonna go to Yunlin now and find my Airbnb. I think that sounds like a better idea. Also, I think I really nailed the whole like vlogging in public without feeling awkward about it. But you know, one thing that I will never, probably ever have like the full confidence to do is do like a full-on like TikTok dance in public. Like I'll be hella shy or whatever, but I don't think I'll ever have the confidence, especially if I'm by myself, just to freaking like go for it. When there's people around, I don't know why that feels even more awkward. It just feels, yeah, that's zero confidence for me. Nope.